Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is the channel. So today I have part 2 of my 180 degree unboxing. I bought a bunch of these boxes during their 50% off sale. So in this video is my giveaway winner for my Valentine's Day drawing. I know it's taken me some time, but I'm finally catching up. So in the previous video that I posted yesterday, I unboxed the April unboxing for last year. So I don't know what box I have to unbox today. And in this video is going to be that lucky winner of my February giveaway. It included a Jeffree Star palette, some other palettes, a bunch of goodies. I think there might have been a piece of jewelry in there. So when I draw that winner and you leave comments below, please congratulate that winner, and she has 48 hours to contact me and I will mail out her goodies quicker than I posted the video. So let's get into it. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I will have more giveaways. I promise they will be quicker. Subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you. I appreciate, I love you guys. You're so supportive. And this box is the, I don't see it. Let's see. It says Embrace. And I'm trying to see. Oh, it's the November box, I think. Oh no, this must be the October box because it's telling me that the next month's box is going to be November. So this must be the October box. So I'm slowly creeping up. So let's see what we got. And it's got a thing about the Christmas gift shop, so I'm sure that's over and done with. And we do have some celestial socks, and these are really cool. I'm a big sock wearer. I came from Chicago, it was cold. Even in the summer I wore socks. Even in Arizona, it's like a beautiful 70 degrees here today. But tonight, I will probably be wearing socks and a sweater. I get a lot of blankets in boxes, and I use those blankets. Dennis looks at me like, are you kidding me? I am so hot, but I always have on a blanket. Are you a blanket wearer, or are you one of those that can't stand blankets and less is more to you? And then it looks like we have some jewelry. It's the red bag. So let's see what we got going. How's the weather out by you? Are you getting some warm weather? And whatever jewelry I have, it's in silver, and I'm a big silver wearer. When I was working, I wore gold, but ever since I retired and moved out to Arizona, I'm a big silver wearer. And it's mushroom. Oops. I'm just flinging stuff all over the place here. We have a mushroom necklace and mushroom earrings. I personally do not like mushrooms to eat. Whenever I get mushrooms, like on my steak or in a dinner, I get them off my plate as quick as possible, and then Dennis gets the mushrooms because I am not a big mushroom person. And I'm trying to get the earrings on. And as I mentioned his name, he was out golfing all day and he just pulled in the driveway. So I'm probably going to have to pause the video because it's going to get very loud because his friend just dropped him off, and I don't know if the friend's going to come in, but I might have to give up on trying to put these mushrooms. But I do like the necklace and earring set, and they go great with my socks. So I'm going to pause you until the noise calms down. Okay, I apologize. I had to calm everything down there. and I kicked him out. So I put on the mushrooms. So here's the necklace and here's the earrings. So I am shroomed out. So that was very nice. And then I got Nuria, and I think I got Nuria in the last box, but this is the Refreshing Micellar Water. So it's different than what I received in the last box. So I'm glad I got that. And then I received the Lady Joseph crackers, and I love getting food items in boxes. This is the black truffle and olive, and I'm a big, I know I shouldn't be, but I'm a big butter on crackers person. Butter or cream cheese, and so yeah, I will definitely make use of those. And then of course we got some Earth Harbor, and Earth Harbor comes in a lot of subscription boxes, and I can never use it up, so this will probably go either in a giveaway or I'll gift it to somebody. And this is the Luna Rain Night Serum, and I have a ton of serums, but their bottles are just so pretty. I have to take it out to show you, and this one is no exception. Look at that bottle. That is a really pretty bottle. So, but as I said, I have so many serums and cleansers that I probably won't get to it. So somebody's got to be able to use it. And then, not sure what this is. So before I take it all apart, let's check it out. I'm thinking, I don't know which one it is. So I'm gonna have to open it. So, because there's a couple things it could be. See how nicely wrapped up it is? Just take it apart. It could be a choice. Oh, it is. It is, says wrist taker. How cute is that? See the wrist. So it's a nice oven mitt, and I do go through oven mitts. I usually burn them, or I get so much goop on them. And it's an oven mitt and an apron. And I do use these. I'm probably like the worst cook. Actually, when Dennis cooks, he's a good cook, but he manages to make a mess. And it says, don't be afraid to take a whisk. And look at what it's got on there. This is just way too cute. So super, super cute. Know where to put it, so put it down here. And then it looks like we got a candle. I can tell by the box and the look, of course. I am the worst opener. So if you're new to my channel, I am very bad at unboxing. And if you're not new to my channel, then you know it's a given. Wow, look at this. And I can actually, oh my God, I can smell the candle. It actually smells like soap. Let's see if I can get it open. Wow, it's got little stones in there. Oh my God, it smells like a good soap. That's what it looks like. I'll have to look up the scents because, oh my God, this smells amazing. And this is Midnight Ember Candle. And it'll help you embrace positive vibes and energy. It's got sandalwood and jasmine. Oh, but it just smells. So if you're very familiar with those scents, then you would know what this candle smells like. And then we have more. Oh, more mushrooms. Kitchen linen towels. Break up with paper towels. Grab these reusable kitchen linens. I think I've had these before. I haven't unpackaged them though, so I have never used them. Have you tried these reusable ones? But obviously we have a mushroom thing going on here. And they look like this, so I guess you have to use them and then you have to wash them. So there's nice. We got 2 of them, 2 mushroom towels. So that's nice. And there's more. And then we got, pronounce this, Latica morning coffee soap. Now that's a new one on me. So there we go with the, oh dear. I have never seen black soap. It smells like licorice. I don't know if I would use that on my body. I don't know how it turns out, but it definitely smells like licorice. So let me see what the scents are. This soap will not only hydrate and boost your skin, it will boost your brain power with its coffee, vanilla cream, and chocolate fragrance. Oh, so there's no licorice. So I'm a little leery of trying it, that my skin will turn colors, but I will give it a try because it just smells so good. And let's see, I think there's a couple more things, or one more thing in the box. Yep, we got one more item. 12 reusable bamboo cotton rounds. You know, we used to get these all the time in subscription boxes, like every box had these. And I thought these would be great, but I didn't like them because I had them everywhere. I never washed them. I ended up throwing them out. Most of them came. Like this, so it's like, okay, you get them, you wash them, you leave them in the bag, but it didn't work for me. I mostly used them like when I used my toner. Oh my God, these are so soft. And I'd wash my face and I'd put my toner on this and then use them. And then I would put them in a plastic bag so that I could put them all back and wash them. They'd come out in the washing machine and I'd end up like not using them anymore. But we were getting a ton of them. I think in our Get Fit Fun boxes we would get them, and I think even in like BoxyCharms we would get them. And they're nice in theory. And oh, there's a turtle. But these are, I mean, haven't felt any like this. They're super, super soft. They're a nice concept, but I just never used them. Oh, look, I didn't see this. Oh my God, it's the travel pouch. Look at those turtles. Oh my God, this is so cute. I'd use this to put jewelry or something in, or whatever. So this was our last item. So we got, oh, so the bonus gift this month is they put in a bonus gift, I guess, and it was the shrooms. It was the necklace and the earrings was the bonus gift. So this was inspired with indulge in a cozy candle evening, connect with intentional cards. Oh, I didn't see cards. I didn't see cards. Nourish through cooking adventures, cultivate gratitude daily, revitalize with seasonal skincare rituals, embrace the cozy season, and get out and enjoy nature. So I thought this was a very nice curated box. Everything went together. So let me know what your favorite item in this box was. And I said I got this for half off. Definitely thought it was well worth it. And congratulations to our winner. And just contact me with your information so that I could get your box out. And this video will post probably on a Friday, so I probably won't get it out till next week, Monday or Tuesday. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and hopefully you'll like the video. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.